Welcome back to beautiful British Columbia, Canada. Our names are Eric and Sarah, and this is Brooke.
She's a little camera shy.
If you've been following our series, you know that we're fixing up our old Ford Campervan, and today we're going to show you how to build a lagoon-style table.
Having a table that's easily accessible, that can double as a desk, is really important to us because we work on our laptops a lot. So we wanted to make it ourselves so that we know that it has everything that we need in a table. So the idea that Eric came up with is we're gonna build a table that's attached over here to this cabinet, and then it'll be able to swivel this direction to the captain's chair so you could work here, but it will also be able to swivel to this couch area so that we can also sit there for our meals and work as well.
Normally with these old Ford Campervans, you have these typical pipe style tables, and with ours there's two holes that would normally come with pipes and like an actual table that would just be stationary. But for us, we kind of want one that swivels and one that goes where we want. So we're not building exactly a lagoon table today, but we're gonna do it in that style that it swivels and we can kind of push it wherever we want. So let's get started. Of course, you're gonna need some supplies for this, and today we're gonna be building this primarily out of black steel pipe and PVC. And so you're going to need two lengths of black steel pipe. One is gonna be going vertically and one is going to be going horizontally. And then you're going to need your connectors, your 90-degree angle, female to female. Make sure that you get the correct size for your pipes. We have 3/4 inch, so we got 3/4 inch connectors. Then you're going to be needing a female to male connector for a 90 as well. And then on top of that is going to be this flange. Then you are going to need your PVC pipe. We have 1-inch pipe because our black steel pipe is 3/4 inch, so that fits in perfectly. We're gonna need to cut this to size. I'm kind of regretting bringing this all the way into the van just to show you, but such is life. And then you're going to need your PVC cap. And then finally, you're going to need your brackets for connecting it. You can probably get 2 to 3 clamps for your PVC pipe. We're going to be connecting this basically onto the wall here, so that's why we have 3 of those. And so then the rest of the stuff, you're just gonna need screws, something to cut the PVC pipe with, and the tabletop itself. So we've already done all of our measurements to figure out how high we want the table. Ours is gonna be about 27 inches. Typically a table is normally at 29 inches, I believe, for camper vans, but because we have this chair that's a little bit lower and this chair is a little bit higher, kind of split the difference a little bit and make it 27. So what you need to do is figure out how long you need your PVC pipe cut so that this black pipe fits inside. So how we did that, or how we're going to do that, is put this 90-degree angle on, pretty much just hand tight, bring it to the end of the pipe here, and then I'll make my mark. Let's cut some pipe.
Look at those pipes.
These pipes?
Yeah.
Or this pipe?
The other pipes.
This pipe.
That pipe. All right, moment of truth. Did you measure it right? Oh, look at that. That's perfect. Just a little bit out there. That's awesome. Look how nice that looks. And then the reason you want a PVC cap is just so that this doesn't rub on your floor and wreck your ground. So if we put that on, look how nice that is. I could knock you out with this thing.
Careful, it's gonna fly out.
I was holding
It's not secured. Next, we're gonna drill into the wall.
Don't mess it up.
Oh no. Why? Alright.
Pretty sturdy already.
Right on. It's pretty awesome, actually. So we've put 2 at the very tops because that is going to be where most of the pressure is going to be from the table. And so if you have 2 on there, then in theory, it'll be more stable.
Look at that. That's nice.
Pretty skookum.
So smooth, actually.
Yeah, that's sick.
This is me working.
All right, let's get a table.
Yeah.
It's looking pretty good, actually.
Yeah, it looks awesome.
Pretty sick. We definitely recommend getting just a scrap piece of wood to start, because we're finding it was not exactly the measurements that we wanted. So not totally sure what we're gonna do yet, but I think we're just gonna have to get back to you when we actually get our proper piece of wood.
Take a couple days to feel
Couple
inspired.
days
It's looking pretty nice
feeling
though.
pretty good, yeah. It is very sturdy. Like it's great.
See you in a few days. Peace.
Well, it's been a few more than a few days. We've been completely caught up with finishing the rest of this van. And if you haven't seen any of our other videos, you should just check them out now. They're just up here. And we have actually chosen our piece of wood here. Sarah's dad found this piece of wood for us, and we varathaned it, or we stained it first and then we varathaned it. And it looks pretty good. So let's see if it works. Sweet. This is awesome. There we go. Boom. Fits over here. Fits over here. Really sturdy. This is sweet. Well, here's some proof that we actually use this table.
It works great. I love it. And when I don't want Eric to have the food, I just move it away. Right?
That's totally what you do.
Yeah. Exactly like that.
Thank you so much for watching. This was a good video to make. I'm glad that we made it, and it was cool to see it from start to finish, and now this table is awesome.
We hope it was helpful for you. Let us know if you have further questions in the comments below.
Yeah.
Like it if you like it, and yeah.
We'll see you in the next one.